In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add TikTok links to your Snapchat. So once you go ahead and open up TikTok, you can either do two things. You can take a link of a specific TikTok video and then post that on your Snapchat, or you can send the profile link of your profile on Snapchat. So let's say I want to put my TikTok profile link in a Snapchat. All I need to do is tap the me icon at the bottom right. Then I need to tap on those three vertical dots at the top right, and there underneath account, the last option is share profile. If I tap on share profile and then I tap on copy link at the bottom left, that link will be copied to the clipboard, and I can go back onto Snapchat now. And once you're on Snapchat, you can go ahead and take a snap, and then you can see you have options on the right hand side, and one of them is a paperclip icon. If you go ahead and tap on the paperclip icon, you can see you can paste the URL that you just copied over there. Tap on paste. That is your TikTok profile link, and then you just tap on it. It's going to open up the browser, and then you just tap on attach to snap, and now you can see that your TikTok profile link is in your snap, and you can go ahead and tap on the blue send button, select your friends by either using the shortcuts or just selecting a friend, and you can go ahead and send that snap with your TikTok profile link or a TikTok video link. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.